Good morning, dear children. Do you remember we were studying the chapter soil, and along with that, we studied that in our earth or earth crust there are inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. And our earth is formed or soil is formed due to the formation of soil. There are a lot of processes, and weathering and all is there. That is, the different weathers plays a very important role in the formation of a soil. It is a process which takes million of years, but it is a continuous process. It keeps on going. Action of heat, sun on rocks, and then rain, and then wind on rocks. These actions on rocks make them break into different small pieces, big or small, and later on it turns into soil. You also read that the soils of different areas have different colors, Now, what soil contains? As you read the experiment of the jar, where if you put it in water, it gives bubbles. If you keep it in a jar in the sun, then you will see small droplets. That means soil contains water and air. Now, soil contains fine clay, sand, gravels, and stone. It also contains dead plants and animals remain in the form of humus. So, you all know that when we keep it all on the top of each another, it settles down and the layers of the soil can be seen. Now, we will see types of soil. What are the types of soil? There are three types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil. Now let's read what is sandy soil. The soil which is sand in rich in sand is called sandy soil. The soil which have more sand or rich in sand is called sandy soil. Sand particles are large in size, so sandy soil cannot hold much water. It cannot hold much water. Sandy soil is found in deserts and seashores. Very few plants grow in it. Plants like cactus, prickly pear, and acacia babool grow in sandy soils. That means this kind of soil supports some vegetation also, but very few vegetation. Now, clayey soil. You remember the word clay? Clay means a gluey or a sticky kind of a soil from which you can make pots and all. Remember? You play with the clay, that is a part of this type of soil only. Clay soil is rich in fine clay particles. This kind of soil is found in lakes, riverbanks. Now it is found near or in the lakes or riverbanks. The clay particles are so fine that they stick together firmly. This soil does not allow water to pass through them easily. It can hold a lot of water. This is not good for plants. Potters make clay pots and toys with this soil. Now, paddy crop rice grows well in clay soil. Now, this type of soil which has lot of water, it do not allow to water. No, because there should be a balance of water and dryness. So paddy, that means rice, grow very nicely in this, and especially I told you now this is used by potters to make pots. Now, loamy soil. It is a mixture of both sand and clay. Plants grow well in loamy soil because loam can hold both air and water. It contains humus and is dark brown in color. Plant absorbs nutrients from this soil. Now, this soil allows the plant to absorb a lot of nutrients. Do you know a very small fact that 1 cup of soil may hold as many bacteria as there are people on earth? Oh my god, that means that so many people are there on the earth, and the quantity of these many people can be held in a cup in form of bacteria. That means a cup of soil, एक कप soil में इतने बैक्टीरिया होते हैं जितने कि अर्थ पे लोग हैं. So you can understand how many bacteria are there. That's why we say when you play in mud and all, wash your hand properly, then have your food. Otherwise, the bacteria will go inside. And these are so tiny, so small that you cannot even see them. Now, uses of soil. Uses of soil. Plants grow on soil. The root of plant help to fix the plants firmly to the soil. Soil provides water and minerals to the plants. It provides water and minerals to the plant. Humus is very fertile. Plants grow well in fertile soil. Plants grow well in fertile soil. Many living organisms live in soil. Earthworm, insects, ants, beetles, and snails live in soil. Rats, snakes, frog make hole, burrow in the soil. They make hole and burrow in the soil. Now, soil, what kind of three soils we read? Sandy, clay, and loamy soil. It contains air and water. It is a mixture of rock, sand, clay, dry leaves, dung, animal dung, dead animals, bacteria, minerals, and water, and lot more things. Humus is the uppermost layer of soil. It provides nutrients for plant growth. And what is weathering? Weathering is the breaking of rocks into pieces of action by action of heat, rain, wind, and frost. Now, there are tick the correct options, fill in the blanks, match the following. Try to do it on your own. Your homework is to practice these in your book. In the next class, we'll discuss it. And then also we'll discuss with question answers, and later on I'll give you the answers. So with this, the reading of the chapter and explanation is over. Your homework is to do the word be. I again say, homework is to do word be. Okay? And practice exercises in your book. See you in the next class, children.